Poka. I'm from Umunede. So I have come to talk about some similarity in Ikaland. 80% of your language speaks where you're from, apart from colonial masters. Yes, that is why when you go to some African country like Cote d'Ivoire, Mali, they speak French because of the French colonizing thing. When you see somebody that bears Femi, I believe if I see someone or anybody that sees someone that bears that name, you don't need to ask where the person is from. But at least the name alone, you know that this person has a connection. This person have 80% connection with Yoruba people. Then when you see someone bearing Osaro, Osas, you should also know that this person is from Edo State. He can still have other connection with other places, but at least he has 80% strong connection from Edo State. Then when you see somebody from a Kaland bearing maybe Ikechukwu, like my grandfather, my mom's dad, his name is Ikechukwu Etumono. My own father's name is Chukuyem, and his father, that is my grandfather, is Mod. So we have Chidema, we have Choma, we have Amaka, and so on. You understand? We even have Oyiboka as neighbor. We have Oyiboka in our street. There is our neighbor, our family neighbor. You understand? Other tribe, even other tribe that is not our tribe, will be telling us, you people are not Igbo, you people are not Igbo. I don't understand why. Just look at this name I mentioned now, Ikechukwu. Is it not an Igbo name? Oyiboka, is it not an Igbo name? To me, it's an injustice. It's not right. People will be coming to tell you, you are not so person, you are not so person. I myself, I know where I came from. If you come to look at Eka today, I'm talking about today, Eka today, there is no name in Igbo land that we don't have in our Eka land. Yes, I'm speaking the facts. When we are kids, with the young boys, then we play with Igbo tongue. Those songs we used to sing that time as an Igbo. Even me, I can sing all those children's songs we used to, apart from the English one or the Igbo ones we used to grow. We grew up with all Igbo. I've never sang Bini or an Hausa or an Yoruba. All is about is all Igbo. But I have never been to East, like live there, but I can speak Igbo.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that our brother from Umunede in Ikaland said. He said that there is no difference between Eka people and the entire Igbo race. He said that we are brothers with our brothers in the southeast. He said that he understands Igbo language even when he have never stepped his foot in the southeast. This is what we are telling our people in Eka, that they are Igbo people. But some of them will be telling you they are not Igbos, they are not Igbos. That is the misinformation propaganda that the enemies have been using to divide the Igbo race. Just like our brother said, he said that if you see anyone bearing Femi, you will know that this person is a Yoruba person. If you see anyone bearing Osakpolo or Sas, that person is from Bini. It's very simple. If you also see anyone bearing Chioma, Onyekachukwu, Okechukwu, that person is an Igbo person, no matter the state, no matter the location. There's difference that, okay, this person is bearing Onyeka, but his father is from Ijo. Fine. Whether his father is from Ijo or not, if you hear that name Onyeka, you will know that this person have Igbo roots. There is no two ways about it. And in the video, he said that non-Igbo speaking tribes that don't speak Igbo language, that those people are telling them that they are not Igbo people. I've always said this thing, that there is a war against Igbo identity. And that's why you are seeing so many tribes in this country called Nigeria. They are doing everything possible to make sure that the Igbo race is being divided. The major people fighting this our Igbo identity that we know are Yoruba and the Lebinu people. They are the major people fighting Igbo identity. All over social media, Ilebini people are busy saying that there are no Igbos in South, that Anyoma people, Kwane people, and Neno people are not Igbos. This is the propaganda that we are talking about, and that is why we, the Igbo unification movement, are here to fight this propaganda to the last. Our people in the car are waking up. The other day, the Obi of Abo said that he is not Igbo, that Abo people are not Igbos. And under the comment section, so many Abo people are saying that they are Igbo people, that they are not separate from the Igbo race. Someone from another tribe is busy telling we Anyoma people that we are not Igbos. So many Ika people know that they are Igbos. Some Ika people will be telling you they are not Igbos, so they are Ika people. That if Nigeria breaks up, that they want to identify separately as Ika. All those people are just wasting their time. You can't be an Igbo person and you'll be saying, you want to be separate from the Igbo race. You are just making yourself a minority. Unity is power. Population matters a lot. That's why the enemies are doing everything possible to make sure that Ika people identify as a separate people. Ukwan identify as a separate people. Anyone identify as a separate people. But we must never allow such a thing to happen. Makana ndi Igbo bofu. Igbos are indigenous in 13 states in Nigeria. And we must do everything possible to make sure that they are united. Remain blessed, our brother from Ika. Remain blessed, every Ika people that identify as Igbos. We will make sure that the Igbo race are united. We must never allow animals in human form to divide us. Ishiegwale.